What's up, guys? It is the Backwoods Shenanigans 72 YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing a little review video. So stay tuned for that, and remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that, and there will be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So go subscribe now, and let's get into this video. Alright, so here we have the Glock 43. Yes, it's already been opened and everything like that. So first things first, we are clear. So yeah, what we got here is a Glock 43 9mm. It is a little different than the rest of the Glocks I'm used to, we'll say that. It's single stack. So this magazine holds 6 rounds, so you can do 6 plus 1, so 7 rounds total. And it's really small, feels good in the hand. The slide locks back, that's pretty regular. But it feels pretty good, you know, for a woman or someone with small hands. I could see this being a good gun for them, so yeah. Now, what you get in the box, you get two 6-round magazines, a single stack Glock magazine loader, and a lock. You know, all your little brushes and the cleaning stuff for it, and the books and the stuff on the warranty and all that. Now, even though it's a lot slimmer than the other Glocks, as where it's single stack, the breakdown is the same as any other Glock. All like that, you know. Take your guide rod, your barrel, and there's your field strip, just like any other Glock would be. Goes together fairly simple, the same way it came apart, just reversed. There you go, there's your field strip and put back together. The trigger on these I don't think is very bad either, so we're clear. So you got a little bit of take up there, and then it's like straight back, it goes right back. So here's your reset, and then I think it feels pretty good, especially for just being the size of gun it is. It feels durable, but yet it's lightweight. It's not too heavy. Great for concealed carry. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I got some ammo here. We're going to load up these magazines and shoot them and load them again until we're probably through with this box. And we're going to see how she runs. What we got here is just some Federal 115 grain ball ammunition. Nothing special, but she'll get the job done. So let's load up these magazines and get to it. And for anybody wondering, I'm going to try to demonstrate how to use the loader. I'm not very good with them, but I always just load them with my thumbs and whatever. But just so y'all can kind of get an understanding, you push that down. See, I'm not good with I prefer just to load them with my fingers, to be honest. For some reason, I'm not very good with the loader, but, you know, as long as we can get them loaded up somehow, right? Alright, so we're loaded up. Let's get out there and do some shooting. Alright, so we got our targets set up. Let's see what this thing can do. So, here we go. We're hot. Mint. Alright, here we go again.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Not bad. Alright, we'll do a mag dump for everybody, because who don't like mag dumps, right? Alright, so there's that. We did some shooting with it, and, well, won't be needing that.
My God. I am never gonna financially recover from this.
So if anybody's wondering, here is a Glock 19 that I carry compared to this Glock 43. They're both clear, of course. Clear. Clear. Alright, so back to what I was saying. The 43 is a lot slimmer. We'll put it that way. The 43 is a lot more compact than the 19, but you know, to each his own. They're both good guns. Now this little video I did of this 43 now, I mean, that was the most I'd ever shot it. It's not mine, by the way. But, yeah, I mean, it's a great overall little gun. I like it. It fits your hand better than you think. And, you know, like any Glock, you can get magazine extensions, extended releases, and extended magazine release and all that. You know, there's loads of companies making aftermarket parts for these Glocks now, so you can pretty much turn these into whatever you want these days. So there you have it, folks. A Glock 43. Good little gun. I like it. Like I said, for a woman or a man with small hands, this would be a great concealed carry for them. Even more experienced people, you know, this is a great gun. I will say that. So there you have it. Alright, so there y'all have it. That was the review on the Glock 43. And, you know, just remember, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, dislike if you need to for some reason, you know, you do you. So, yeah, there's going to be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so let's do it. Get us to 1K, and there will be a giveaway, and it will be worth the time you take to just click subscribe. Come on, man. It's easy. It's free. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching, and everybody have a great weekend.